Hello everyone, my name is Padarbin and I have here to introduce you my blog. I have recently started a blog and I would like to make a video of it so that you can really get through my blog and I can read and let you know more about it. And here I have given the name that after hours learning to improve communication. This blog will help you improve your learning ability. This is my blog post link, and here I would like to tell you about my blog. Create a chart poll to increase English fluency in speaking and writing. So I published on 21 May 2021, and it was very nice blog. I would recommend all of you to get through it. The very simple part of it. So here I have started with 5 total quality ideas to make chart poll, which is all about how you can make friends on social media on charting. To have a chart communication on social media in order to improve English fluency in writing and speaking. So here number 1 point, always tell your pals to chat in English and allow all to make in full forms of words. The more electronics messaging can be avoided would be better. Second one, keep sharing your daily diary note based on experiences and diary activities from morning to night. And here you can also make sense how what exactly we are making every day we can send our friends. So write and record your voice to make a habit of self improvement. And third point is keep writing short stories and make a comment report on other stories with your chat group. And fourth number is collect feedback and improvement tips and motivate each other to speak and write a lot. Go for group correction and increase level of interest to be persistent. And last one, in the part of conclusion I have introduced this small step of creating a mood to have chart poll for English language communication can lead you with good learning habits. When you start doing it with common friends, you can add on many in this group and time to time invite for speaking and writing events. You can add on sometimes group discussion, thank you celebration, wishes, and many more. This will boost all participants to have positive vibes to contribute their inputs. This activity will raise fruitive actions to set off on success over target language. As technology can guide you better for correction, that also be one of the standards learning platform. So this is all about my blog. My name is Padarbin. This is my WhatsApp number and email ID. So I welcome all of you to read, and already I have shared with you this in descriptions the link. Please go read and share with all and get benefit of it. And I will be posting many more blogs. And I want all of you to be my best reader and give me the comments on this part. Thank you. All the best.